Hey guys, welcome back to NaturalLee. My name is Lydia. In today's video, we are doing a potent hair growth oil for your edges. If you are suffering from alopecia, if you're having issues with scalp issues, if your hair is not growing properly, if you're having thinning edges, this growth oil is going to help you. It's going to go a long way in giving you a thick hair and a strong hair. If you are new to the channel, please do well to subscribe. My first ingredient is aloe vera. Like, aloe vera is one of the most important ingredients in our hair growth industry, including skincare as well. So I use one stem or one plant of aloe vera, and then I slice it into pieces like what I'm doing in this video. This part is optional. If you want to slice it this small, it's really optional. I do it this way so that the process of making the oil extraction will be easier for me than when I slice it in a bigger portion. So then I cut these aloe vera into these pieces. This is about, it depends on the quantity of oil you want to make. The more the aloe vera, the more the oil. I then get my saucepan and then I transfer my aloe vera, what I chopped, into the saucepan. And also I follow up with any oil of my choice. You can use olive oil, coconut oil, castor oil, any oil that works very best for you. I'm using olive oil, extra virgin olive oil in this video. I'm using olive oil because olive oil really tends to work very well with my hair. Olive oil and coconut oil, but in this video I'm using just olive oil. Right here, I then get the fire into a minimum heat so that the oil is able to boil a bit in order to extract the nutrients from aloe vera. Aloe vera is very important for hair growth because it strengthens the hair. It has so many active ingredients and minerals that can help strengthen your hair and your scalp. It really protects the scalp from damages. Aloe vera also controls greasy hair. If you are having greasy hair, aloe vera is something that is able to minimize or stabilize greasy hair. Aloe vera has enzymes that break down fat and so strips your hair of any extra oil. That's how come it controls greasy hair. If you're having itchy scalp, please use aloe vera because aloe vera is very good for itchy scalp. And the most important reason I'm using this aloe vera is because I want its main benefit is for hair growth. I really like aloe vera because of its hair growth. So as you can see, it is coming to a boil, like it is extracting the nutrient from aloe vera into the oil. This is not a very high heat, so it's just extracting it gently into the oil. Yes, right from here I follow up with another very potent ingredient. At this stage, you can decide to just not boil it, to just leave it in the oil, but you have to leave it in for weeks. My next ingredient is rosemary leaves. This is dry rosemary leaves. Rosemary is very powerful for hair growth. You know, you can make your own hair oil at home, and if rosemary is not part, maybe you are missing a very important ingredient. So rosemary is also a very key ingredient in making your own aloe vera, in making your own oil at home. Rosemary stimulates hair growth, and rosemary contains anti-inflammatory properties that promote hair growth. Rosemary also improves blood circulation on your scalp. You know, if there's not enough blood circulation on your scalp, you are not going to get enough hair growth because it's blood that promotes hair growth. Like, if your scalp is having a stagnant, there's no blood flowing to your scalp, you are not going to have enough hair growth as you want. My final ingredient was fenugreek seeds. Like, guys, fenugreek is like a multi-purpose seed. Like, you can use it for so many things. People consume it. Some people use it for their skin, others use it for breast milk, and for the purpose of this video I'm using it for hair growth. Fenugreek helps in promoting hair growth. Fenugreek also prevents hair loss. Fenugreek contains natural ingredients that is able to deeply nourish and moisturize your scalp. If you are having damaged hair, fenugreek is able to revive it, especially if you use it at as a hot oil treatment. If you have dandruff, please be consistent with using fenugreek, because after consistent use you realize that your dandruff will be minimized. So that is how come I'm adding fenugreek to my hair growth oil. Fenugreek also adds shine and soft texture to your hair. If you're complaining about having a very hard hair, your hair is not manageable and all that, please introduce fenugreek into your hair. It also prevents premature graying. I left this on fire for about 10 to 15 minutes under medium heat, and then I let it sit for about another 10 minutes so that it cools down a bit before I transfer it into another container. Right here, you can decide to leave it for a day or two so that the nutrients in the herbs are well infused into the oil, or you can just go ahead and strain it right away. So I strain the oil from the herbs, and then the only one I'll be needing is the oil. Like guys, if you use this for as long as you can, you see a lot of changes in your hair. You see how your hair will be thicker than before, and you have full edges, especially if you're using it for your edges. Try massaging it in your edges. Before you massage it in your edges, make sure you spray some water there before, so that the scalp is able to absorb the oil very well. So yes, this is the oil is ready to be used, but you need it to cool down a bit, because if you use it at this hot temperature, it's going to affect your scalp. So I then get my 2 applicator bottles. This is what I'll be transferring the oil into it, and I can use it for at most a month or at least 2 weeks. My hair is highly porous, so it doesn't grease my scalp so much, even if I use it every day. So this is it. At this phase, you can decide to add fragrance of your choice if you want it to smell, yeah, but I really didn't mind the smell. It wasn't really a very strong smell that I couldn't deal with, so I accepted it the way it was. So I transferred it into my applicator bottle, and bingo, this is going to take me to do for about a month, or if I'm not very consistent, a month or 2. So guys, let me know if you've tried this before. Is this something you want to do yourself at home? Have you used rosemary before? Which ingredients in this video have you tried before, and what was your feedback? To me, my favorite ingredient here is aloe vera, because aloe vera, my dear, you really need to try aloe vera. So yeah, I wouldn't be using it on my hair in this video, but in subsequent videos you see me using it on my hair. My name is Lydia once again. Let me know what you think about this video. And as I said earlier, this channel is all about natural hair content, natural hair growth promotion. Like, it helps in growing natural hair. Till next time, don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you are new, and please like this video as well. Bye.